Oh geez. I forgot to set the height. Oh no. It's been a while, and this lawn has been a little neglected after I installed it just over a month ago. Life got ahead of me, and I haven't mowed it as often as I would have liked to, and I also haven't been keeping up with any of the kelp or organics, so she's struggling a little bit in spots, and it's time to try and get her revived. So today we're going to use the rotary scissors and give this lawn a nice little trim around the outside. I've raked it already, and then it'll be ready for the little Azedo to give it a nice clean cut. Time for the Aussie. Oh geez. I forgot to set the height. Oh no. That was a little bit of a mistake. I gotta lift the Aussie up. Whoopsie. Well, that was testing that it was well rooted in. So now time to go again after lifting the Aussie up by 2 levels. You can see there, that's where I've done my little boo-boo. Forgot to lift the Azedo up to the height that it needs to be. But the rest of the lawn, it's looking okay. Alright, hopefully in 3 weeks it'll be all nice and green, thicken up a little bit more. Look like an entirely different lawn. Stay tuned.